Tradeshow. Tradeshow is at May 8th and 9th at the Palmer Fairgrounds. And I went up, 2 weeks ago and figured out I can land inside the fence. I touched down inside the fence on the main place where the zipper is and all the rides are. I got enough room I can land. So we're gonna land this airplane inside the fence and on the 8th and 9th, and we'll be drawing the ticket to whoever wins it on the evening or afternoon of the 9th. And we're gonna have a tent set up and a heater, and we'll let the vendors come to the hangar and you can answer questions. We'll let Tanis come and have an hour. We'll schedule it and you can ask questions about Tanis, and we'll have bush wheels there and you can ask questions about aluminum lift struts or double slotted flaps. And we'll have Atlee there, and you can ask questions about hot rod muffler or rear seat heats. I'll let Aircraft Spruce be there, and you can ask questions about buying Canad ELTs from them or all the hardware stuff. We'll let Micro VG be there, and you can talk about Micro VGs. Okay. Plane Schemers might not be there, but because he's got to come all the way from Alabama, but I'll definitely have a logo of Plane Schemers so that give him credit for this airplane. I'm sure that Dan Macaroni from Sport Aircraft Seats will be there. You can ask questions about your seats. I can't think of my other sponsors right now. Airforms will be there, and they have the best baffling options. We're going to invite B&C to be there, and they make, in my opinion, the best alternators to put on a lightweight Cub, put out lots of power, don't weigh much, easy to install, last a long time. Dominion Propeller will be there, and Dominion Propeller will talk to you about props, and they're coming out with a new Sense-Niche ground adjustable prop for Cessna, for O360s, and the O320s is in the queue. I'm sure that Lars from Ortex will be there, and he'll be proud of his Ortex job that we have. I hope I didn't miss anybody. Pulling this off my head. Stoddard's Aircraft will be there. Stoddard's Aircraft helped us with sponsoring, and what we've got from sponsors is we got a discount in the Univair ribs, and this airplane has a complete brand new Univair rib kit from Stoddard's Aircraft, and Stoddard's gave us a discount on that for Univair and for Stoddard's Aircraft. As I look around, I'm not seeing, hope I didn't miss anybody. Oh yes I did. Oh yes I did. Wheeling lights. I got Wheeling lights in both wings. I've got Wheeling tip strobes and nav lights on right wing, left wing, and in the tail. And Wheeling is the best as far as the brightest and not having noise in your radio system. I called out earlier Northern Lights Avionics. We'll come around here and we'll turn on the switches. And we got Garmin 275 for our airspeed, altimeter, horizon. We've got a Garmin 275 for our engine instruments. We've got a Garmin 660, and we'll see our traffic both on the 660 and on this 275. We've got a Garmin 345 that's not powered up because not certified yet. Don't want the system to see it until it's certified. And we got a Garmin 200B, which is the most amazing radio because it's got a built-in intercom, so you don't have to have a separate intercom for it, and it's a very good intercom. I'm really happy with it. Anyway, I think that might be getting close to it. USB port is a Garmin USB port, and both ports put up enough power for an iPad. So should you want two iPads, you have enough power for two iPads or whatever accessory you may want. Sorry, Behringer's awesome. Behringer brakes are amazing brakes. As you go down, we've got Behringer wheels. Behringer wheels are the lightest 10-inch wheel that's made right now that you can put on a 10-inch tire on, and the rotors are a really big diameter. Instead of running a Cleveland style rotor on a 6-inch, they come off of a 6-inch wheel. They've got a big diameter rotor, and so that makes lots of braking power. So Behringer have great braking power, very well engineered wheels. The bearings in them are a sealed bearing, so if you drive out in the creek, turning around in the river, and you get water on your axles, you got sealed bearings instead of the typical cup and cone with just a felt washer. Amazing having sealed bearings on your wheels.